Hi, good morning. Excuse my hair. Oh, so it was a beautiful night last night. When I got up to go to the bathroom, the stars were out. But then at, 6 or 7, started to rain. So everything is wet. And I'm climbing down Sassafras Mountain today. I'm gonna hit Stokoa Gap. Keep getting teased by sounds of cars, but not consistently. And I need water. Didn't fill up on water this morning. The shelter was full of some very loud people, so I just wanted to get going. So I'm hoping I will run into a water source here. Or I'm hoping that there's trail magic at Stokoa Gap. We'll see, but thinking about making it a 12-mile day to a stealth site. That means less miles for tomorrow into Fontana Dam and a nice comfy bed. Pretty uneventful night last night. Just got in, ate, set up my tent. Not the best tent sites at that shelter. I don't think there might have been one level spot. I did not have a level spot, and I was on tree roots all night. So, oh well. Today it's supposed to rain off and on. And then rain tonight. So I'm having some trouble with my tent. The bathtub does not seem to be working very well on it. So I don't know if it's the way I'm staking it or what, but I'm very nervous about water getting in. Let me put you away for a minute because I have to go over a very large tree to get going on the path. So hold on. Hello, everybody. Boy, I think I start our end of every day saying it was quite a day. Today was quite a day. So went 11 miles to, what's the name of this? Gap. Over Jacob's Ladder, over Sassafras Mountain. I just wanted to give you an update. So Sassafras Mountain, the last mile up it is rough. I had to take my time. And then going down is fine. All the way down is good. Very comfortable, little ups and downs, but nothing major. And then my problem was I got down to Stokoa Gap and I literally had no water. And there was some hikers that were hiking along the trail. And they gave me some of their water. down at Stokoa Gap, there is a blue blaze that you can take and get water. I was able to fill up my water bottles, and then someone gave me a little bottle of water. So I went over and Jacob's Ladder. Oh my God, that is a climb. It is a climb. And then once you get up over, it's like rolling hills and stuff. And then I was supposed to go down to a gap that's about a mile from here. And that was my plan, but decided I would stop here. I was just too tired, and it was already 5 o'clock, and just wanted to be able to rest, because last night I didn't get a lot of rest because of the uneven ground that my tent was on. So tonight I found a nice camp spot up here in the Gap, and camping by myself, which is the first time. And then I figured that tomorrow I made a reservation going into Fontana Lodge. I've been there before. It's very nice. Well, I think it's very nice. And I'll be meeting up with Lori, who does a YouTube channel, and maybe I'll be able to video with her. But it's supposed to rain tonight. I'm hoping it blows through early enough where I can get up early in the morning and pack up my stuff and leave early, and then get to the Fontana Village early. I really want to think it's going to be the same today. There's a couple big ups, and then it's a down. But I really wanted to get to the Fontana Hilton before I went to the Fontana Village, only because I don't want to have to go back and, dirty hands, make up the miles from, you can get off at Fontana Road or something like that, and that's 9.8. But I don't want to have to then miss those miles all the way to Fontana Village or slack pack it one of the days. I'm going to stay 2 nights. I need to get a 0 in and possibly do a third day, a third night stay, just so I can rest up before headed into the Smokies, which is scary. Headed into the Smokies is scary, but it is what it is. I was able to pitch my tent tonight where it has more of a bathtub to it. Last night I did not have a great bathtub to it, so I don't know what the problem was, but tonight is much better. It was a beautiful day, and I need to start looking at the weather for the Smokies. Yikes. All right, checking my teeth, sorry. But that is it for now, and I hope that you all sleep well, get a lot of rest, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for coming along with me. So much appreciated. Bye, y'all.